Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you. We are today, I think the 8th? Yeah, May 8th. And it arrived yesterday. It arrived within a few days of shipping. That's the first. So let's open it up and see. And again, oh, let's hope nothing is broken. Ooh. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. And there's once again no QR code with it. So we go sort of with, oh god, oh not again. This is the ISO Clean Professional Brush Cleaner. Does this still smell like alcohol? We had this before, but I think it was like the sponge cleaner, not the brush. I mean, you can use it either way. I haven't used it then, and I will not use it now, but yeah, it is. If you need to spot clean your brushes, right? If you only have a couple of brushes on hand and you need to clean them in between, this works well. But I'd rather wash my brushes with soap or shampoo or whatever I have. So yeah, this I will not keep, unfortunately. Then what is this? Huile de douche shower oil by L'Occitane. L'Occitane, right? With almond. Ooh, I'm really a big fan of almond, but I'm gonna smell it. I can't smell it. Hello. I never had a shower oil before. How do you use that? That smells good. Oh, that smells really good. This shower oil transforms when in contact with water into a delicate foam. Lather and massage in the shower and rinse. Oh. Okay, this is a very small bottle though. It's 35 milliliters. Now again, I have never used a shower oil. I don't know how much you need, how much this is foaming up. But I will definitely try that out. Oh, maybe I will keep it in my travel bag and take it on vacation with. I think I will do that. Okay. Something fun. This is the brush by Spectrum. It's the A05 all-in-one cheek brush. Can't talk today. I have another Spectrum. Do I have it here or do I have it downstairs? I'm not sure. So it is slightly angled. It has the turquoise and purple, and it's super soft. Ooh, okay, this is not. Do I have the other one here? Yes. We received this one also from LookFantastic a long time ago. This is the B06 brush. You know, they all have the same design. Although, isn't one more pink than the other? A bit darker? This is super nice. Really soft. So, yeah, I will definitely keep that. Again, L'Occitane. Two products by the same brand. That is a first. So this is the hand cream for dry skin. Doesn't have any scent to it, I guess. I'm not gonna open that one up. I still have another hand cream to use, but that shower oil really smells good. However, it also smells like, I don't know if you have that in your country, but over here you have like kids shower gel that have like different figurines. You know, like Captain America. There's a plastic figurine you open up and you have shower gel in there. Can't smell like this. It doesn't smell really expensive. That's what I'm trying to say, right? It smells like, I mean, those kids shower gels, they're not cheap, right? But it doesn't smell like anything breathtaking. It smells good, but not amazing. Okay, I have 3 products left. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Mask. With hyaluronic acid. How do you use this? Apply onto clean skin. Leave on for at least 3 minutes, rinse off. To help provide up to 72 hours of hydration with pentavitine used twice daily. I don't have time to use that twice daily. I will definitely try it out because, you know, I like a good face mask and my face really needs some hydration because it's very dry. So I will definitely try that one out. And then we have the super thick scalp serum. Okay, by New N-U-E. I don't know how to pronounce that. Apply to scalp gently. I'm sorry. Apply to scalp, gently massage to help stimulate circulation. No, not watch. Leave for 20 minutes and then wash hair as usual. 20 minutes! Jesus Christ! Like, please tell me you have to apply this to a dry scalp because then maybe I can do it before I take a shower. But if I need like a wet or damp scalp and then apply this and then wait 20 minutes, I don't have time for that. You know, like I don't have time for that. I think I would try it out. That is so long. That's 20 minutes is a very long time. I already struggle, you know, with the hair mask in the shower. Because obviously you have to let that sink in. And I just struggle to just wait. This is the second last product. And then the last one is a perfume sample. So this is the Alien by Mugler. Alien Extra Intense by Mugler. I actually would like the perfume. I don't know if it's this one. Oh no. This smells better than the original Alien. I really want to get the normal Alien perfume because that smells really good. But this one, oh, that smells good too. We don't have the top notes here, do we? Oh wait, a fury jasmine, a vanilla accord, and an extreme cashmeran. Brave the floral thrill, floral woody. Oh, that smells really good. That smells really good actually. I have one of those boxes. I'll show you because I do collect perfume, right? I have my minis here, and then I have a whole collection downstairs. So I have this organizer here, where I have all the sample perfumes in that I've tried out and written a review on, and they are sorted by age. So this is from 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. This is the newest one. It came out this year. Yeah. Wait, what was I now? Yeah, it's not much, but you know, these are only the perfumes that I have done a review on, and like I said, I also have mini perfumes. So I will try this one out and, you know, see how the longevity is and how intense it is. Maybe, you know, some perfume is just headache-inducing, right? You just smell just like, a headache. So this actually smells really good. It reminds me of something. I don't know what yet, but I'm super excited about that. And I'm also excited about the blush. And then the West is just, I'm just not feeling it. You know, last month was an amazing box. I really like that one, but this time around, it's just not that good. Like, I'm sorry, but I don't use this, so I will probably sell it, right? Then we have the scalp serum that needs to stay on for 20 minutes. We have a face mask. I'm not really sure. So these are the products with the brush cleanser. Oh, and the perfume. I'm not really sure. So let me know if you tried any of these products before. I think I can definitely use them, right? Like the hand cream, obviously I can use. The oil, I take showers, right? As one does. I can use it. But overall, I don't know, it's just something missing, right? Like that, but like that final thing, I don't know what it is, but it's just not that good of a box. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, this, like, the more I move, the more I smell the perfume. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, I'm actually loving this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you tried any of these products out. Again, I don't have the QR code here, so I cannot tell you too much about it. Yeah, I think we all regret that they do not have the coupon code or the leaflet anymore, or the UKL that came with it. Yeah, you know, you hear me say that every single month. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.